turn a little bit further after today? I think your hands have got a little bit better.
Yeah.
I'll go with this one. Reach up quite a way. Don't rush. Just making sure you're slow enough before the corner though, mate. Good. We will go over the bridge back towards yours. So remember, they give way to you. It's oncoming. Can you aid this one to go past the white ones? Yeah, good. Well done. Okay, oncoming. Go slower. There's a couple of them. Go slower. Look at your sharpness of your road. Slower. We're not going before the silver one. Slower. Slower. It's not going to be second gear. Don't go. Don't go. What's it doing? Be happy with it. Now stop. So he wasn't showing you enough after the flash that he was giving way, was he?
Yep.
No?
It cheers, but you're still coming at me like 30 miles an hour.
Yeah. Well done. So don't forget we've got priority, but you could still fix it if someone was coming over now. I'll look through the bridge where the person's walking.
Clear.
We're good, aren't we?
I can tell you someone didn't do that, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
I'm not complaining about that.
Good. So that one was a nice example. She walked out before she even looked this way, you know. Did you see that? That red car was a nice example of what the car that flashed didn't do. Yes, it showed you with the speed. Good. Nice work. What's the silver one? Second one showing you. Good. Next left as well, buddy. Nice job. Thank you. How sharp's the corner, buddy? Look round, not forward.